Jordan Cox in the Honda Civic. When you said on the start line it was a Ford Falcon versus a Honda Civic, I think words never actually uttered in a race before.
This is going to be one of the best races for a podium that you've ever seen in your life.
Quicker as the race goes on too.
Oh, look at this. All over the back of the man of Scotty Wilson now through McPhilby Park. He's going to have a look up the inside. He's made the move. He's got his nose up the inside but pulls out. Jordan Cox, I reckon he's going to go down the inside of the Hero to Scott, and he does. What a huge move from Jordan Cox. He is absolutely on fire this kid. Someone give him a contract. That was one of the best moves down the inside of Scotty Wilson.
We've got a replay of this great move across the top of the mountain.
Here we go. Wow. That is some attitude on that car. You know what? He's got his foot absolutely planted through the floorboards there. But this is absolutely gobsmacked. Yeah, he hasn't even hit the brake yet.
No, he's still on full wide.
Now he has. Green Park. Jordan Cox now closing up to the back of the Celica. Cox has got the pace over the top. Lee Forrest is going to have to go on the defensive here, because will we see a repeat of Jordan Cox up the inside, over Skyline, and look at him down the inside of McPhilby Park. Jordan Cox, what another great move in the Honda Civic, down Coates Higher S's, and that again is a very, very full move, guys.
I wonder if look at this rear wheel. The rear wheel is off the deck on that car.
Wow.
And he put the nose in and committed himself. Now, no, he wasn't quite close enough.
Tight. Watch Cox on the outside of the no, I don't think he can do it. Well done to Lee Forrest. Great defensive driving there.
Lee Forrest actually jumped on the brakes just a little bit later, anticipating how late on the brakes Jordan Cox was going to go.
So this is the thing now. We're going to see Lee Forrest pull away, because every time that they've come to the Essence point,
on Twitter, Matt Wood has asked for more Civic, please.
More Civic.
There it is. There you go. You wish, you ask, and there you go.
Here we go.
Thank you very much for that, our director of cameras and photography here as well.
So Jordan Cox, here's the man that has an absolute cult following at the moment. Famous overnight is the quote, and you'll see why in a minute, because he is absolutely ragging this little Honda Civic.
Here we go. The camera will zoom right in as the rear wheel steps off the deck, coming into McPhilby Park. How late does he brake?
Very late. And you watch it down here, it's almost just throwing it down there. Wheels off the deck as well.
I could watch this all day. 2 wheels here is a spare box step up.
It is a lot of fun, this car, isn't it?
It is, and just the way he drives it too, like he is absolutely flat out. The thing with front wheel drive cars is you have to be on the throttle all the time. The moment you get off that throttle, the rear end wants...
So we're doing about the same pace. And at the moment, look at this little Honda Civic across the top of the mountain. Cox is throwing it around.
This is the corner. This is, hey, there we go. The back wheel off the deck again.
He's got a bit of a Twitter fan club now, Jordan Cox does. A lot of people from England. Oh, look at that. 2 wheels over Skyline, 2 wheels through the Coates Higher S's. Let's see what he does through the spare box dipper. And have you ever seen anything like? Have a look at this.
So light.
Jordan Cox with the left rear wheel, probably nearly a foot in the air as he comes through McPhilby Park. Look at the attitude on that car.
And he didn't back out of it when he went over the top of Skyline too, because he had. It's great to come back and have a win there.
Oh, hang on a minute. Jordan Cox is caught right up to the back of Damian Milano. Won't be close enough up.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to get him there, but you never know.
So he actually went past Damian Milano, but it's been past coming out of the elbow. So well done to Jordan Cox.
Is that Kerry Wade there as well?
No, that's
black car.
Yeah.
So Cox actually got up to third for a moment or so, and unfortunately couldn't match the brutes.
But the excitement machine that is the Honda Civic has been a lot of fun. So Ray Hislop, Matt Cherry and Damian Milano, that is the top 3 with Jordan Cox in 4th. We need to get out of here. Thank you very much, Gary O'Brien. Thank you very much, Terry Nightingale.
Thank you.
No, I've never ever seen a pass there.
I've never seen someone go around the outside through the chicane there. That is maximum commitment through there. The Toyota had the straight line speed advantage on the main straight, but the nimbleness of the Honda Civic, he's like, thanks for coming, round the outside.
We've been racing here since 1999 and never have we ever seen that before. One of the best moves you could possibly imagine, with 3 wheels touching the ground. He just swings it hard left, knowing that Brown will be up in the curve.
Chase for the last time, and everybody at Maguire's Murray's Corner, I want you to stand up and give this young kid a round of applause, because he's certainly been the show of the race. And the 23-year-old from Sydney, Jordan Cox, here he is through Maguire's Murray's Corner. Great drive from the young fellow, coming 4th position, and really, really exciting stuff.
Fan club. There is a Twitter fan club going on for this guy, and
yeah.
A lot of people on Twitter have been. There's someone up at Skyline using the hashtag loose Honda, hashtag never lift.